Hey guys, this is Ken with Park Metal Detecting. We have a new partnership with Nakto e-bikes, and I'm going to be using this model Ox bike. It's a 500 water, 750 peak, 48 volts, 12 amp hour battery. It's got the big 4-inch tires on it, front and rear. They're 20 inchers, and it does fold, so you can put it in the back of your car or whatever, and it makes it really nice. I've got it loaded with all my gear. I did put an Instacrate on the back. So take a look at the website. I'll have it in the description. If you enter Ken60, K-E-N-60, you'll get 60 bucks off of this bike or any other bikes. And keep an eye on this. I'm going to be using it on my hunts, and we'll also do some tips and tricks on this as well. And it goes really great with metal detecting because you got to get some exercise. So metal detecting, e-bikes go hand in hand. See you on the hunt. All right, so we're heading towards the burnout house over here. We're in second gear stall. I probably burned a bunch of my battery up going up that hill. Showing off a little bit. Doing a little off-roading here. Off-road trail riding. Woo. This is some really sandy stuff here. The trail going off that way and this way. I don't know, that's sandy right there, but when you're going down the hill, you got to put your butt way in the back. The gate is open, which is a good sign. Let's see if I can make it. I know I probably should have been in first gear, but I'm not. If I put it in first and pedal a little bit, I think I'll be okay. Here we go. Whoa! Almost made it. I was heading for that. See, this is step through right here. Help your bike pull you up the hill. Woohoo! All right, that is the first time I've gone down that. Okay, so let's keep on trucking here. Let's put it back in third gear. Get some exercise here. We're just pedal mode right now. Let's see. Let's see here. Pedals are kind of low there. I don't want to. That's washed out pretty good right there. All right, let's hit it up here. Whoa, don't want to fall in that little gully right there. All right, we made it. First thing you should do, guys, when you get to your bike, put some slime in the tires. Minimum 4 ounces on each tire. You might even go a little more than that. So I'm gonna shift down here. Second gear. All right. All right, we got a big hole here. Whoa. Let's get, oh yeah. All right, I wasn't planning on going this long a trip, but I do want to show you that burnout house. That would be kind of cool to check out. And I believe it's actually right here. Yeah, there used to be a house right here, 1950s. If you go to a site called, what is it called? It's on my phone. Let's see, it's called Historic Ariels. That's what we want. Okay. Historic Ariels. You'll be able to look up stuff like this. This looked like it was built in like the 40s or 50s per the map. It goes down like to the early 50s. I believe it was still there. So good place to find silver coins and maybe some other things. People like to, when they're out in the tulies like this and there's no neighbors, they like to hoard stuff and hide stuff in little places, so you never know what you're going to find. You need a good detector. Like I use the Equinox 900 or the Xterra Pro. The Equinox has a good iron filter in it. You're gonna get a lot of nails on a burnt down house. That's the only thing. So I haven't done this area at all yet. Even up there would be kind of cool because it looks like there's like a little oasis up there, maybe a stream. That's like really the only place, maybe way up there. But there might be something up there. Somebody might even buried something up there, who knows? That's a little trick, but maybe I could do that in the future. So let's go take a look over here and see what we got. Again, don't go off-road like this, especially during the season when the sticker plants are out. And right now, it looks like there's a lot of growth here. This will all die out in the wintertime. It might be better to come back here in the winter. But yeah, there's a lot of weeds here. So it's gonna be a little troublesome. Some stairs right here. So that might be something good to check just right in here. So I think that's where the main house was. There was a building over here too as well. All right, we're gonna head back. I got some things I gotta do today. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button at the bottom, it should be flashing. And then also hit the like button. I really appreciate it. That helps the channel grow and helps me invest into it. I am fully monetized, which helps. And helps buy better equipment and such. So I appreciate your thumbs up and also your comments. What did you think of the video today? Did you like the bike, being able to use it as a tool for metal detecting to go into places like this? I don't see you driving your car up here. You might take a motorcycle, but an e-bike, very stealthy. You're not gonna be letting people know you're coming in places like this. If that's your situation where you are. Oh, there's something way up there too. Up there, I see like a big old chimney thing, like, I don't know what that is. Places to explore around here for sure. All right, so we'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna get more back into metal detecting. This is just one I wanted to showcase, the Nakto Ox, and how versatile it is, how it can go pretty much where mountain bikes go. I would say easy, almost intermediate, not quite. It will get stuck on you. But it is fun, and it's very low to the ground, low center of gravity. So my wife's 5'2". She can easily ride this. I'm 6'1". I weigh 225. And of course, it's not gonna have as much power compared to someone who's like 100 pounds. But if you have kids, you can also adjust the power level on this too as well. And you can do it in the program so they can't bypass it. So there's all kinds of things you could do to keep it minimal. So it will only go like, say, 9 miles an hour if you want to keep it that. But it is a category 3, so it can go like 28 point something miles per hour. You can go 28 miles per hour, no problem, especially in pedal assist. I think it peaks out around 25 or so, just the power alone on this here. But if you pedal in it, it'll go even faster. That's it for this video, guys. Be safe, have fun, and I'll see you in the next metal detecting video. Happy treasures.